So for those of you who subscribe to my channel, you'll know that in my previous video I prepped the car's paint for the ceramic coating. So I guess you know what this video is all about by now. And the product that I'm using is Armor Shield, and I use this, for those of you who have been subscribers for a very long time will know that I actually used this on my old XF as well. And the reason I'm using it again is because it's very good. It's not cheap, but it is a very, very good product and it works really well. I actually got two bottles because I think one bottle is one bottle is 35 mils. So to do a car like this with this amount of sheet metal, you're going to need around 60 mils. So you need to buy two of these. Now it's not cheap, but it is really, really worth it. So let's get on with it and get the coating on the car. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to apply it to the hood first, and what they say is that you should apply it to an area about half the size of the hood, but a hood this big, I'm actually going to do it in 6 sections. So I'm going to do, split this section in half, the middle of the hood in half, and the other side of the hood on that side in half. So all we got to do is we got to just get some of the stuff on the applicator, which they supply as well, and we're going to apply it horizontally like this, and we've got to make sure that we cover everything. And then we're going to go vertically. And that really just gets the product into all those nooks and crannies. And once we've done that, we are going to wipe it off. I know it sounds weird, but you have to get all of it off with a microfiber cloth immediately. And make sure you get it all off, because if you leave any of it on and it dries on the car, you're going to see it and it's just going to be there forever. So now I'm going to move on to the next section. Now this stuff doesn't dry very quickly, that's why you have to wipe it off, but don't feel that you need to rush through the application because you're afraid it's going to dry. It won't dry while you're busy applying it, as long as you've got enough product on the applicator. Now you're going to need a few of these microfiber cloths because you can feel when they start to become saturated, and I think I would use probably one microfiber cloth for the hood, another one for the roof, another one for the rear, and one each for both sides of the car. The poor dog is really sad. So it's finally finished, and I did the entire car. And when I say the entire car, I mean literally the entire car. I've done the glass, I've done the taillights, the headlights, the sunroof, everything. You can actually use this product on your glass. I've even done the piano black surround on the windows, and it really brings everything out, and the glass is just amazing. It's like water. So I'm going to pull the car out. I'm going to give you guys some still shots and let you see what the car looks like now, and I hope you enjoyed the video.